guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a new product that I found on Amazon that I thought, if it turns out as nice as I hope it will be an absolute bargain. So this is what I got. It is from Diamondiary, their little motto, make life colourful, and it is a pre-framed diamond painting kit. So let's get on inside and have a look. I haven't seen what is in here yet, so we will see how it all works out. There were a couple of different designs. This one, as we can see from the back of the box, is some owls in the moonlight. I thought was pretty adorable. Says that the kit contains the pre-framed fabric piece, diamonds, stylus, craft weight wax, instruction sheet. So should be fairly straightforward. But let's see what it's like inside. Ooh. Okay, so we wrap together on the inside. So this is our pre-framed diamond painting. So we've got a little, says Diamondiary, welcome to the journey of Diamondiary, and this has got a little bit of information inside, so I will have a look through that. It's a bit about leaving reviews and things for them. We've got the hanging fixings, a printed legend with an image, with a little thumbnail of the image. As you can see, they're listing it as a 30 by 40. Oops. This is an indicator of some of the paintings they have. Now, I don't know, but certainly at least one of these, I do recognise the artist, so I'm not sure if they're licensed or not. I would have to look into that. And then on the back of here, we've got the instructions. We've got our diamonds, and we will have a look at those in just a moment. But first of all, we'll look at the kit. So I like that everything's got their branding, and it's got this orange colour which matches in with their branding so that you would know where the pen came from, etc. So we've got a 4-placer on the end. That, yeah, is removable. Yeah, nice that it's colour matched again. Got orange squishy. We've got paper clips. That's interesting. A little bag of baggies, a circle of pink wax, and not a branded moss for boat, but certainly in the style of a moss for boat. What does it say? I'm just going to check the instructions to see what they think we're going to do with paper clips. The only thing I can think is the... I can't see anything specifically. The only thing I can think is that if you were to leave your diamonds in here, you could pop a paper clip over the top to stop them from spilling out once you were finished with that colour. Obviously we can see from here that we've got quite a combination of different symbols. Very little in the way of letters and numbers, just a couple that I can see, mostly symbols, although nothing too confusing. Might have to be careful between the two corners. But yeah, it should be fine. I will have a little look on the canvas and see how the printing is in just a mo. Oh, crinkly plastic. Right. Goodness, so we've got 35 colours, and it's the silver stripe diamond packaging. I think that's number 11. Where's number 1? 20. Oh my goodness, so many. Right, okay. We'll just have a quick whiz through and look at these, because I don't do that very often. So, obviously, we've got lots of different warm tones in the painting, and then obviously there'll be a lot of dark colours for that night sky. Got a big old bag of 310. 312, that's a lovely blue colour. It's like a denim blue. 318, 322, 336, 400, 402 and 414. Then we've got greys, so 415, 436, 498, 603. You can just, oh yeah, if I tilt it you can read the number. Not the easiest to read. 605, 645, 646. So as always, when you get these colours that are just one shade apart, then that's really useful for providing gradients and things. So here again, we've got 720 and 721, 727. A lovely bright yellow. I would think that's going to go into the moon area. And then the final batch, 743, 869, 937, 939, which is often substituted for a black. It's an extremely dark blue. Oh, little sprinkling of pink there again. 963, 972, 973, 3078, 3346, it's a green. 3347, again we're looking at just a single shade difference. 3685, 3755, 3776, 3841 and 3865, which is our white or cream colour. So let's have a look at the actual canvas. It is poured glue. Oh, it has suctioned itself to my table. So I'll just move you out again a little bit. There we go. So yeah, it's got the clear cover, sticky canvas. It's a lovely firm surface to work on, actually. I was worried that it would be a bit sort of springy like a trampoline, but it seems that they've got this board in the back as well, which is helping to stabilise the canvas, and then this sort of faux frame around the outside in the space where the wooden framing actually is. So very cute. The symbols, let's have a look. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Certainly you couldn't use a light pad with this because it wouldn't shine through that backboard. But I don't think you'd need to. I think this is very clear indeed. There are guide circles, but they're not particularly noticeable. I think that should be fine. Yeah, I can't really see that there would be any problems with this at all. So yeah, you can obviously use You can use this to label your pots if you're going to kit up, or you can just keep it beside you and work out the packets, whatever you'd prefer. I will probably kit this up. So it listed itself as a 30 by 40. Let's see. So this ruler is 35, and I can tell you that this is 36 by 26 for the actual printed image, but that would mean that it is 30 by 40 for the whole thing, including the framed area. That's absolutely fine as far as I'm concerned. I mean, we need to talk about the price, because that was what made me take a risk on something like this that I hadn't tried before. So currently available on Amazon. I will of course pop a link in the description. It is available with Prime, free delivery, free returns. Currently 30% off, meaning that the usual price of $9.99, which is still pretty good for a pre-framed canvas. The current price is $6.99, which is an absolute bargain. Really, really nice. I can't get over the value that you're getting here, really. You're getting, you know, drills with DMC numbers, a nice little kit. The only thing really for me that's missing is a guarantee that these are artists that are getting reimbursed for their craft. I will look into that, and if I've got any more information, I will pop it in the description for the video as and when I find out. But yeah, so Diamondiary, check them out. They have canvases available on Amazon, so super available to everybody. Yeah, I will of course, as always, let you know how I get on with this, any problems that I face. I'll post updates on the Instagram, and we will come back and do a full review once I've finished it. So for today, that is all from me. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty. Thank you.